my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nail Cover Lover. Let's get started. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to you to show you another giveaway that I won. And I don't come on here and show you guys the giveaways that I won to be bragging or anything. I just want to show you what these lovely ladies do for their giveaways and how they return for your love and support to them. And I just enjoy these ladies, and I want to come on and show what they have in there. And that's it. I don't come on here to brag or anything, but I want to show you what goodies I've got to maybe come up into another upcoming video. And this one is, boy, she packed this in here snug. Look at all this bubble wrap. Look at the orange bubble wrap. Oh my God, I love it. I love all this big bubble wrap. It says Viola Brown. And this is the channel, Easy Nails. And she is a beautiful lady, guys. You guys need to go and subscribe to her and get in on what she does. She does some great work. And let's see what's in here. It's a Merry Christmas. Now, this was supposed to be sent out before, but it got delayed because of the mail and whatnot. So let's see. Let me see what it says first. Dear Viola, so happy you won the giveaway. I'm so happy to have a lovely nail friend. Happy New Year. Lots of love. Easy Nails. Sending Christmas wishes your way for lots of joy in your heart. That is so cool. I love it. And like I said, I save all my Christmas cards, guys. I don't throw them away. I put the year that I got it, and I save all my Christmas cards. Let's get some of this out of here. I love all these bags and stuff. So awesome. All right, here's some of it. This is from, I believe, Nail Couture. And I don't have too much of their stuff. Only I have from them is some nails that I had bought from someone, and I think maybe another thing I had won. But these are acrylics, guys. Oh, let's see what these look like in here. Oh, they're so cool. This one, yeah, acrylic system. That's what it says. enailcouture.com. I think this looks like a yellow. I love these little pots. It's so cool. Oh, looky there. It's got the little pop lids. Ooh, that is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm not going to open up every single one of these, guys. Put that in there. Put that aside. Plus, I got some files, which you never have enough of. And look at this bag. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love these bags, and you can always use them again for someone else, y'all. Look at the glitter. Who doesn't love glitter? Oh my God, it's open. Seen it come puffing out. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Silver holographic. Oh, so gorgeous. Got the big hexes and little dots, and I'm not sure. Nope, there's no strands in it, and small fine glitters in it. Oh, that's a big bag. Love it. And then there's another file. And another file. Ooh, look, it's got the breast cancer ribbon on it. I love that. I love that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pink, 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 pink. Yay, that's so pretty. Pink fine glitter. And then look at the gold glitter, guys. That is so shiny. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I love that. And then I got two striping tapes. Looks like green and blue. glitter's all in here. Come out of that bag, you guys. And then the Rossi 014 from Paris with Love. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, I finally got some Playboy bunny. Oh my God, they're so pretty. They're the pink Playboy bunnies. Oh, I love that. And I got some City Lights. San Fran. Ooh, so pretty. Pink. Which glitters in it. And this is from Nouveau Nails City Lights. I got some McCart nail foil glue, which I love. And look at the pretty purple. Oh gosh, guys, I'm dropping it. Oh. Look at that. Look how shiny that is, just like that gold. Oh my God, those would be perfect together. And then there's a, I think that's black or purple. Looks like black stripy tape. Sorry for the noise. And this one, it looks like a black too. Look at the little tiny file, guys. That is so adorable. I'm gonna stick that over there. And then a pumice stone. I love these. Okay, I'm gonna stick all this back in this bag. Thank you for everything that you sent to me. I love it so far. Oh, look at that big bag of glitter. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Girl, you gave enough to where you could just share the love with some people. Look at that. Ooh, there's glitter everywhere. Oh, I love that. It's like a rose gold. That is so beautiful. And then here's the big bag of green, which is open. Oh, so pretty, 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 pretty. And then she sent some tips, and they got glitter all over them. Luckily, they were in this bag. Boys, look at the mess. Wow, let me get my brush, guys. This is my glitter brush. Oh, there's some gold stripings tape. Look at all that come out of that bag. Waste not, want not, guys. So I'm gonna put this in a little container over here. Alrighty. Now, let's see what's in this bag. And I got some Nail Couture. Oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. Oh, forms, that's what they are. Thank you. I didn't have none of those either. Oh, yeah, it's everywhere. Let me get me a paper towel, guys. Alcohol, because it's all over me. Ugh. This leaked out, guys. And it's from, hold on just a second. Gels always have their ways of seeping out. Chi gel. And I'm not sure if that's from Nail Couture. I think so. But look at that. Oh, so pretty. But I've got some cleaning to do on that one. It's all over on the inside of it. It's come out. Found its way out. I'll set that over there. And then we got some more of the New Wave nail or whatever it's called. This one's called Kuwait second, I think. And Miami Nights. Winter Peg. And Techno Tokyo. Those are some cool names. Alrighty, I'm gonna put this stuff back in here. And let's see what's in this bag. Look at that bag, isn't that gorgeous? I love that bag. Oh, more glitters. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's like a brown with like red in it. Brown. Oh, that is beautiful. And then the white. I don't have many whites, guys, so I love that. That is so pretty. It's got like a green tint to it. Oh, look at these. These are shards. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like Mylar shards. Oh, I'm loving that. It's gonna make some great nails for winter. And then we've got, oh, look at this. This one's like nothing I've seen. It's like a pinky purple with small hollow dots in it. Small hollow silver dots. That is gorgeous. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Wow. Oh my God, there's glitter all in there. And these are the hands that she sent me. Awesome. And what is this? Oh, these are the tips that she said that she had. White tips. These are pretty awesome. These are great for French manicures. I love those. And what is in this one? Oh, hollow butterflies. Believe it or not, guys, I don't have any of these. None of these. These are gorgeous. Oh, look at the white ones. Oh, I'm loving it. I already have an idea. And these are Glitter Planet pre-pinched stiletto. Ooh. Oh, yes. Those look awesome. I love it. Oh, I love it. Yay. And then, oh, I didn't have any of these stickers either, guys. And I was beside myself when I found out that I won these. Let's get this in here out. And I don't have any of these either. I'm loving it. Professional. Yes, girl. Look, look, look. I finally got some. And I was just getting ready to buy me some. And I won this giveaway. And I was so freaking excited. Oh my God. Gold and silver butterflies, guys. Oh, I am loving them. Excuse me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And some more nail art foil gel from a cart. And then there is some of the little dots, spirals that you can use. And I love these. Look at the flowers, dried flowers. I love these. And some hearts. Oh, there's some more. And triangles and stars. I have some of these. Yay, I love them all. And these are all foils. Oh, and there's glue in there too. I don't have none of these foils either, except for that. I might have that one now. Look at the flower. Oh, I'm loving it. The orange flowers on there. Gorgeous. Thank you. And that is it, guys. And oh my God, this bubble wrap. I am loving this bubble wrap. There's green, there's white, there's orange. And it's a big bubble wrap. It's so cool. Alrighty, guys. Oh, nope. There's something else. Let's see what this one is. Oh, I remember what this is. This is the soaker to soak off your nails with. Oh, and a finger. Practice finger with nails. And I didn't have one of these either, guys. So I appreciate everything that you sent me, hon. I so appreciate it. You guys need to go check her out, guys. And subscribe to her. And I will leave her link in the description box. I will try to. If I can remember. These days, things are so crazy and hectic. But I love everything, guys. I so appreciate you guys being here with me. If you're new, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I would so appreciate it. In need of watch time, if you guys can give it to me. I'm almost at my halfway mark at the watch time. And I will be doing a giveaway soon for my 1K giveaway, which I'm almost at 900. So share, share, share. Leave me a like. And leave me a comment down below if there's something that you would like to see me a set of nails to do of a design or any kind of ideas. Send it to me. Leave it in the description box. Well, I will leave you guys here and I will talk to you later. And for everybody that has been here with me, I so greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys all. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.